Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser V8 WALD Edition. This beast of an SUV has undergone a serious transformation, and we're diving into everything: its bold exterior, powerful performance, and premium interior. And, of course, we'll talk about pricing. Let's get started. The first thing you notice about the WALD Edition is its aggressive stance. Toyota has partnered with the Japanese tuning house WALD International to give the Land Cruiser a more menacing look. Up front, the redesigned bumper features massive air intakes, a blacked-out grille, and sleek LED headlights. The sculpted hood adds to the muscular feel. Moving to the side, you'll find flared wheel arches housing massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in off-road-ready tires. The body kit gives it a wider, more dominant presence on the road. At the rear, a sporty roof spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and a revised bumper complete the aggressive styling. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Cruiser V8 WALD is powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is mated to an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimized performance. Toyota's proven 4WD system, along with adaptive suspension, makes it capable of conquering any terrain, whether it's rocky trails or smooth highways. Acceleration is solid for a full-size SUV, and the exhaust note from the WALD tuned system adds an extra layer of excitement. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The interior boasts premium leather upholstery with contrast stitching, carbon fiber accents, and a redesigned center console. A 12.3-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto takes center stage, while the digital driver display provides real-time performance data. The seats are ventilated and heated, ensuring maximum comfort for all passengers. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom, and the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the premium feel. As for pricing, the standard 2025 Land Cruiser starts around $85,000, but the WALD Edition adds a premium. Depending on customization, expect a price tag between $100,000 and $120,000. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.